we'll use our hands. Can you show me your hands? Ooh, nice. The ocean's so big and vast. So I want to begin by making an ocean drum. That's right.
Classy!
Hey everyone, how are you? You and me may have met before, and if we have, do you remember my name? I'll give you a hint. It's only one letter. My name is Jay. Hi. What's your name? Well, it's very nice to meet you. I hope you're having a really good day today. If you've joined me before, you know that I play drums, and we do rhythms in this class. We play different patterns and make different rhythmic combinations with different sounds, different drums, different instruments, even our own bodies. And before we do that, we always warm up. So to warm up, let's use our own bodies as drums. We'll use our hands. Can you show me your hands? Ooh, nice. So to make our hands into instruments, we clap them together. Can you clap your hands together for me? Ooh, good job. So to warm up, this is what we'll do. We'll play a little game.
Rhythm with Jay.
It's a game of call and answer. That means I'll clap a rhythm, I'll clap a pattern, and then you clap the same rhythm. You clap the same pattern. I'll go first, and then you go. And then I'll switch the pattern, and then you repeat whatever I play. Sound good? Okay, here we go. Bring your hands up, put your palms together, give them a rub, warm up. Here's the first pattern. Ready? Your turn. Whoa, same thing. Your turn. Woo, good job. Okay, changing. Here we go. Same thing. You're doing so good. Your turn. Okay, I'm gonna change it. Your turn. Good job. Your turn. One more pattern. Whoa. Same thing. Your turn. Whoa, good job. Okay, now we're all warmed up in our body and in our minds. Woo, beautiful. I went outside yesterday for a little walk, and I couldn't help but notice how beautiful outside is now. It's so sunny and it's getting nice and warm. And you know what that means? That means that you and me might be able to start going to the beach. Whoa, have you ever been to the beach before? Think about how beautiful the beach is. Take a minute and close your eyes. And see all the sand and see the beautiful ocean coming in and out. And there's a nice bright sun up in the sky shining down on you. Can you feel all that warmth? Ooh, it's so nice. So today, I'd like to focus on something that we see at the beach a lot. And that's the ocean. Have you seen the ocean? The ocean's so big and vast, and it has so many rhythms within it. It makes rhythmic wave sounds as the waves come in and out. There's so many animals that live in the ocean, and they have all their own little heartbeats and their patterns of moving and talking and communicating. The ocean's so interesting. So I want to begin by making an ocean drum. That's right. There's a drum called an ocean drum. And this is kind of how they're made. I'll show you with this frame drum I have. You see? This is a wooden frame with a drum head on it. Pretty cool. But today we're going to use it a bit differently. The way that we make an ocean drum is we take something that looks like this and we fill it with maybe some popcorn seeds, or maybe some small pebbles, or maybe some sand from the beach. I have a few popcorn kernels here that I'm going to pour in my drum. Whoa. And then what you do is you push them all to one side. Oh, you can't really see them, but they're right here. I don't want them to spill out. And then as I tilt my drum, the kernels will move across the drum head and make the sound of an ocean. Are you ready? Listen. It's like the waves coming in and out. Whoa, so cool. I know you might not have one of these, but you may have one of these at home. It's a little plastic container, and look, it's very much like my drum. So if you take those popcorn kernels and put it in a plastic container like you might have at home, you can make your own ocean drum. Whoa. So you can make your own ocean drum at home out of some popcorn kernels and a little plastic container. Here's another way that we can make rhythms with our waves. And we can think about the breath, our breathing, as a rhythm. Kind of like this. My breath sounds like an ocean wave. Whoa. So if we clap our hands, can you clap your hands with me? Good job. And now what if we add in the sound of the ocean breath? So we'll breathe in for 4 claps and breathe out for 4 claps. Okay, here we go. Keep going. One last wave breath. Whoa. You see how our bodies, like our breath and our mouth, are a lot like the rhythms of nature. The ocean and the beach. Wow, that's an interesting combination. I think maybe we're a little bit connected to nature. That's why we enjoy going to the beach sometimes, or enjoy going to the forest, or enjoy playing outside. Because we are part of nature and all of nature's rhythms. Wow. Let's play some more rhythms. Okay. What if we make the sound of a wave with our mouth and turn it into a cool beat? So it'll sound like this maybe. Whoa. That is like a quick wave coming in and out. Can you do this rhythm with your mouth? Try it. Woo! Good job. Why don't we add in my little ocean drum? I'm going to put the kernels back into my frame drum. This is fun. These are like wave ocean rhythms. Okay, you ready? Let's start with the mouth. Whoa, I'm starting to feel like we're at the beach. Look, I even wore my blue shirt like the ocean. Cool. Let's try that same rhythm, but we'll add in some clapping, okay? So it'll sound like this. Woo, we're starting to get a little bit complex. So let's try it together. Ready? With your voice, and then clap along. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. Good job, everyone. Let's add on to this. I have another drum that I'd like to show you. This drum is called a pan drum. And it has little tongues cut out of it. Can you see the tongues? And each little space is for a note. And you see, when you play drums like this, the sound goes like this, like a wave. So I always think about this drum as a drum that's reenacting the movements of the ocean. Pretty cool. I thought that maybe we could play something together. I can use my pan drum and you can clap your hands along and use your mouth to do the woo, ha, ha, woo, ha rhythm. And we'll play it all together. I might even add in our ocean drum that we made together. Whoa. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. Warm up your arms. And then let's start the rhythm all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. Keep going. job, everyone. We're like a band. I actually feel like I'm at the beach. So remember, to make your ocean drum, you just need a plastic container and some popcorn kernels. Or you could use some sand or some small pebbles. And you wash them around in the container, and it sounds like the waves of the ocean. Okay, I hope you guys have a good day. I'll see you at the beach.